Genius life hacks everyone is using, especially number 5. 1. When your comb is full of hair, just apply glue to the surface, wait for it to dry, and the hair comes off easily. 2. When the mirror is foggy, rub a potato on it, then wipe it with a cloth, and the mirror will be super clear. 3. When your teeth are stained and hard to clean, pour water and white vinegar into a cup, dip your toothbrush in for a minute, then add some salt and toothpaste. Brush every day, and your teeth will become bright and white. 4. Tearing labels like this is wrong. Just stick some tape on top, then heat it with fire, and the label comes off completely. 5. When wax spills on the carpet, just lay down some butcher paper, then press it with an iron repeatedly. The carpet will be restored perfectly. 6. When high heels are too tight, just put a water bag inside the shoe, then heat it in the microwave, and the shoes will fit perfectly. 7. When your shoes get soaked in the rain, cut the top off a plastic bottle, attach it to a chips canister, align the shoe with the bottle opening, then use a blow dryer. Your shoes will dry in no time. 8. When gum sticks to your pants, just rub it with an ice cube, and it will come off easily.